In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then, when you have it opened like that, you can access this icon at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, I can use my app in this little window. To make it bigger, click on it, and to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. If you want to move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it as well. To use your app in full screen view, you can either hold one of its bottom corners, drag it all the way down, and when you see this blurry area, let go. Or you can click on this icon at the top left corner. If you wish to turn your app into a bubble, you can either hit home button and then swipe it to the side. Now access it by tapping on the bubble and then tiny window, or click on those three dots at the top and click on this icon of two arrows pointing at each other. Then swipe your app. To close it, you can swipe it in the background, or you can click on this X at the top right corner. This one. Last but not least, by clicking on the same three dots again, you can mute or unmute your app by clicking on this speaker. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!